the lesson number 27 for grade 3 mathematics, right? What we are studying nowadays, we're studying about the conversions of gram to kilogram and kilogram to gram. So in the previous classes, you have good command on the conversion of kilogram to gram. Because you know the fact that 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. So any value which is given in kilogram, and when you have to convert it into the gram, the simple way to do is to multiply it by 1000. When it comes to 2 kilogram is equals to how many grams? So you will see that 2 multiplied by 1000 equals to 2000 gram. 8 kilogram is equals to how many gram? So you will say that 8000 gram. 10 kilogram is equals to how many gram? You will say that 10,000 gram. It's very easy to multiply when you have a number. But when it comes to the decimal, like when I ask you 5.76 kg is equals to how many gram? So I tell you the easy way, how you will have to do, you will multiply 5.76 by 1000. So you will move the point from left side to right side up to 3 times. Why 3 times? Because in 1000 there are 3 zeros. As there are 3 zeros in 1000, you will move the point from left side to right side 3 times. One time you will move, it will become 57.6. Two time you will move, it will become 576. And 3 time it will move, so you will add 0 and it will become 5760 gram. This is, you learn the conversion from kilogram to gram. The next conversion we learned about gram to kilogram. Now the value or the weight is given into the gram and you have to convert into the kilogram. Let's suppose there is a sack of potato. I tell you, or there is a written that this is 9000 gram. Okay. Someone asks you, can you tell me how much kg is that? How much kilogram is that? So for that, what you need to do, it's very simple. You will do the opposite. From when you have to convert from gram to kilogram, so you will divide it by 1000. In 9000, when you divide 9000 by 1000, so 3 zeros of this 9000 will be cancelled by other 3 zeros of 1000, and the only number which will be left, that will be 9. So 9000 will be 9 kg, 6000 gram will be 6 kg, okay, and 8000 gram will be 8 kg. When we have the number which is not having 3 zeros, like 3480, when you divide that number by 1000, so how you will have to divide? You will move the point now from right side to left side, from right side to left side. Guys, when you multiply, you move the point from left to right, but when you divide by 1000, so you move the point from right to left. Okay, you're dividing by 1000. The point is after 0. One time it will come between 8 and 0. Two time it will come between 4 and 8. And 3 time it will come between 3 and 4. It will become 3.48 kg. Same you will do here. Up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good.
Everything is clear.
That's very good. That's very good. What we are going to do today, we will do some 2 or 3 more examples for the conversion of gram to kilogram. Then we are going to learn the concept of conversion from meter to centimeter or millimeter. Abdullah, we have already finished writing this. Okay. Now I'm going to write from E, and then that you have to write it. Okay. So I'm going to write here E. Start writing in your notebook, guys. This is E. E is 6142 gram. You have to convert it into kilogram. So you will 6142 divided by 1000. You will do this. 6,142 divided by 1000. Can you tell me the answer, guys, in the chat box? When you divide 6,142, what will be the answer? First, 6,142 divided by 1000 is equals to, yes, guys. Aha, Jihad Muhammad, very good. Ahmad Jibrail, very good. Amar Khalid, very good. I need all students to participate, guys. Very good, Hamza. Why other students are not answering? Kareem, Nasir, Kareem, Muhammad, Ayat Khalid, very good. Muhammad Awal, Al Siddiq, Bala, Ayat Khalid, Hamza, Firas, Anas, Ayat Ghalib, Ahmad Shihab, Ahmad Usama, Adam, Abdul Ghaffar, Abdul Hamid. All students need to participate. Very good, Ahmad Muhammad. It will be, okay, I'm going to open your mic. Yes, it will be equal to
Kilogram for 600. 6.142.
very good. Very good. Guys, if you want, I can show you how it is 6.142. Do you want me to show?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Then let's move to the new screen, aboard. And I will show you there. Just wait for a while. Now we are here on the board. You can see here, look, how much kilograms, how much grams? 6,142, right? So this is 6,142 divided by 1000. When you divide any number by 1000, what you will do? You will move the point to left side. The point is here, 6,142. You are dividing it by 1000. As there are 3 zeros, you will move the point to left side. One time it will come 614.2. Two time it will come 61.42. Three time it will come 6.142. So this is how, when you divide it by 1000, it will become 6.142 kilogram. This is your answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. Now move to the move our classwork file. This is A F. F is 9368 gram is equals to how many kilogram? So 9,368 divided by 1000. Guys, here I'm going to tell you, when you divide this by 1000, the point is after the zero, it will move to left side 3 times. 1 time, 2 time, and this is 3 times. So 9.368. kilogram. It will be 9.368 kilogram. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very clear.
That's very good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good.
Sir.
That's very
Yes,
good.
sir. Very good.
Question.
That's very good. Guys, complete it fast. This is the last part, G. Then we will come to the new topic, conversion of meter to centimeter. G. The G is 1345 gram. So again, 1345 gram you have to convert into kilogram. So the point is after 5, move it up to 3 times to the left side. 134.5 one time, 13.45 two times, and this is 1.345. 1.345. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Up to here, any questions?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Okay. If you have questions, you can send the message in the chat box. Ahmed Jibrail, if Abdul Aziz is having question, you don't need to tell, okay? He can tell by himself. All right, guys. Once you finish it, we'll start a new topic. I'm giving you only 2 minutes to complete it. You have only 2 minutes to complete it. Until then, I'm going to ask question. This you don't need to write it in your notebook. Okay, Jihad, I'm coming to you. Yes.
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Mhm.
You said to me when okay we have 1,300 for example we have 1,300 and 40
Hmm.
when we when we want to make it into kilogram
Mhm.
we remove the zero. Yes, sir.
No, not in that case. If we have like all the numbers in the thousands, like 1,000, 1 with 3 zeros, 2 with 3 zeros, okay, 5 with 3 zeros. If we have zeros on the place of tens, ones, tens, and hundreds, then it will be very easy to just cancel the zeros and check the number. Otherwise, we will follow the method of the point.
Oh, I understand it now. Thank you, sir.
Okay, like if there is, if instead of 345, if there are 3 zeros on the one place, on the tens place, and on the hundred place, if there are zeros, so it's very easy to divide. We just need to cancel the zeros with the zeros, because there are also 3 zeros, there are also 3 zeros, they will be cancelled by each other. So it will be very easy to answer. Otherwise, if it doesn't, then it is also very easy. It is also very easy. Just you have to move the point from right side to the left side. Okay, that's very good. Abdul Aziz, wait. I cannot find you. Ahmad. Abdul, I cannot find you. Guys, did you finish writing?
Yes, sir.
That's very good.
Yes,
That's
sir.
very, that's very good.
Yes, sir. We finish it, sir.
Yes, you are on the new screen because I have to give the concept of conversion from meter to centimeter. Okay, and I can take a new page here. The conversion will be, it will be conversion from meter to centimeter and millimeter. Conversion from meter to centimeter and millimeter. So guys, for that, even you should know the basic fact. I'm going to write the basic fact here, which you should know. We will go to the we will write about this in the notebook, but first you have to understand the basic concept. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Okay, why we use meter and centimeter? To measure the length. Okay, to measure the length, to measure the height. Okay, if you are measuring the height of a small objects like a razor or sharpener, so you will use in the centimeter. Okay, if you are going to measure the length of a cupboard, a door, okay, so you can do it in the meter. You will not use the centimeter. So for smaller objects, the length of smaller objects, you will use centimeter, and other objects, big objects, you will use meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. This is the basic information, basic fact. You should know it. That in 1 meter there are 100 centimeter, and in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeter. If I ask you, can you tell me in 1 meter how many millimeter are there? So in 1 meter there are 1000 millimeter. This is the basic fact. So guys, you know the conversion rule. When we were studying about the mass, where 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So if you want to find out 2 kg, you multiply 2 by 1000. 5 kg, you multiply 5 by 1000. Same here, if any value, any measurement is given in meter, and you have to find out how much centimeter is that, what you will do, you will multiply that by 100. Let's suppose I write here, look, this is meter, this is centimeter, and this is millimeter. If you want to convert any value from meter to centimeter, what you will do? You will multiply it by 100. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. If I ask you 5 meter equals to, you will say, sir, 500 centimeter. How do you know? 5 multiplied by 100. 5 multiplied by 1 equals to 5, and 0 you will write as it is. So it is 500 centimeter. If I ask you 11 meter equals to how many centimeter? So 11 multiplied by 100, 11 1 11, and 2 zeros like this. You will write same 1100 centimeter. Okay. So when you have to convert a value from meter to centimeter, a simple way is to multiply it by 100. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir. That's clear.
Yes, sir. And sir, can you finish
Yes,
the?
sir. It's very clear, sir.
That's very good. That's very good. Now, what we have learned that if we have to convert any value from meter to centimeter, what we will do? We will multiply it by 100. Okay. What if the value is given in centimeter and you have to convert in millimeter? What if the value is given in centimeter and you have to convert in millimeter? So this is also very easy. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. So you will multiply it by 10. Let's suppose if I ask you 200 centimeter is equals to how many millimeter? So you will multiply 200 by 10, 200 by 10, 200, 200, and you will add 10, it will become 2000. So you will say, sir, it will be 2000 millimeter. If I ask you, okay, 63 centimeter equals to how many millimeter? So you will multiply 63 by 10, 63 by 163, and you will add 10, it will be 630 millimeter. So what you have to remember that whenever you have the you are given the value of meter and the question is asked to convert into centimeter, you will multiply it by 100 because 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, and the value when the value is given in centimeter and you have to find out how much millimeter is that, so you will multiply it by 10. One more question, guys. If the value is given in meter and they ask you about millimeter, convert it in millimeter, simply what you will do then? So you will multiply it by 1000. From meter to millimeter, you will multiply it by 1000. Don't need to make this. You know why? Even if you convert first it to centimeter and then millimeter, it will be same. If you multiply any number by 100 and then 10, it will be 1000 because 100 multiplied by 10 equals to 1000. Look, when you multiply 100 by 10, it will be 1000. So from meter to millimeter, you have to multiply first 100 then 10, or I can say that you have to multiply it by 1000. If I ask you 2 meter is equals to how many millimeter, you will say 2000 millimeter. 5 meter is equals to how many millimeter? This is equals to 5000 millimeter. Okay, is that clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Very clear. I
Yes, sir.
understand.
Yes, sir. Very clear. Yes, sir. Very clear.
Yes, sir. It's
Okay, very good. Ahmad Jibrail, I'm going to take your question.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. I want to ask you a question.
yes.
Uh, so,
Hmm.
then you don't try some from meter from million. You don't try and divide by 100, divide by 1000, and from meter to milliliter.
Because I'm going to tell you the conversion from meter to centimeter and millimeter. Okay. When I will tell you the conversion from centimeter and millimeter to meter, then I will tell you about the division. Okay. First, we are learning this concept. We will
Okay,
practice this concept. Then we will move to the another concept, and then we will practice that concept. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. All right, guys. Now take out your notebooks. We are going to do some work. Take out your notebooks. I'm going to share a new screen with you. Start with the new page. Why the today's heading? It is 22 2 2021, 22 February 2021, and the day is Monday. It is conversion from meter to centimeter and millimeter. Question number 1. Convert the following measurements from meter to centimeter and millimeter. Take out your notebooks, guys, and start writing, please. Convert the following measurements from meter to centimeter and millimeter. A. A is 0.8 meter, or we'll take 2 meter, let's suppose first. 2 meters. So for centimeter, you will multiply it by 100 and you will say it will be equals to 200 centimeter, and for millimeter you will multiply it by 1000 and it will be 2000 millimeter. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Sir.
Yes, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. That's very good. That's very good. So this is your answer. Sorry. So guys, for centimeter I multiplied by 1000 and for millimeter I multiplied by for centimeter I multiplied by 100 and for millimeter I multiplied by 1000. The B is, let's suppose, 0.8 meter. Okay. Now 0.8 multiply by 100 For centimeter, what you will do? You will multiply it by 100. For centimeter, you will multiply it by 100. And for millimeter, you will multiply it by 1000. So look, when you multiply 0.8 by 100, I will show you here. When you multiply 0.8 by 100, this is 0.8 by 100. So because you are multiplying, so you will move the point from left side to right side 2 times. So it will become 8.0. One time when you move, there is no number, so you will add 1 0 and the point will be moved to that after that 0. So it will be 80.0. So it will be 80 centimeter. And when you multiply this 0.8 by 1000 for millimeter, so it will come 1 time 8, 2 time 80, and 3 time you will add 2 0 and it will become 800 millimeter. Do you get it, guys?
Yes, sir, I get it.
No, sir, I want to ask you a question now.
Yes, sir, I get it.
What you did not get, Ahmad Jibrail? Yes.
So why it's 80?
Because you multiply it by 100.
So you put the 2 zeros in 1 0 and 80 and 0.0.
This is just to make you understand. Otherwise, I will not write this point. I will just write 80 centimeter.
That's why it's 80.
Yes, I will write 80. Look, this is 0.8. Listen. This was 0.8. To convert into centimeter, you multiply it by 100. When you multiply any number by 100, any decimal number by 100, so you just move the point to the right side. The point was between 0 and 8. So you move 1 time, it becomes 8.0. 2 times, so you will add 1 0, it becomes 80.0. So it's 80 centimeter.
Okay, sir, I understand.
3 times you move, it becomes 800. Okay?
Okay, I understand.
That's very good. So this is the answer, guys. 0.8 meter equals to 80 centimeter and 800 millimeter. So keep up to here. Further we will do inshallah tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, guys, our class time is finished. Inshallah, I'll meet you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. See you next time, sir.
Bye, sir. See you tomorrow.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. See you tomorrow.
Bye
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
bye.
Can you?